I want to describe my favorite place. My favorite place is swimming pool. I was so happy as I entered swimming pool. At first, I was 4 years till the end of the day. I spent a lot of my time in the swimming pool where I practiced athletic swimming. It's not decided to playing or entertaining. It is classified into two categories such as shallow pool and deep pool. The shallowest pool is only about 1 meter depth, and the deepest pool is 3 meter depth. There are no slides and water. Beside that, there is a swimming area. There is also a jacuzzi area for warm bath. There are 2 laps for training. The bathing area for men and women are lockers inside. The bathing area and toilet area are quiet clean. I go to the swimming pool at 4 a.m. when I am on morning practice. It feels so cool, but it doesn't decrease my spirit to keep practicing hard. I like these activities very much. These activities are so challenging for me. I think I want to be one of the athletes in the future. That's all that